So, the things I do for my viewers here, and there's only probably, 5 or 6 of you. uh, if this seems a little claustrophobic, it's because I'm under the dash of this Charger, entwined in my roll cage, trying to show you the back of this headlight switch. And those are 3 individual vacuum lines right there running to the hideaways. And you can see the one is definitely a green stripe. It looks pretty good under here, actually. And there's the clock. So you can see those vacuum lines running. Let me get back a little. Right there, there's the amber line one. That's what they should look like. And over and that way towards the brake thing. So yeah, it's pretty claustrophobic under here. And if you've never seen one before, that is the stock light switch with the vacuum lines. My elbow really hurts right now under here holding this phone. iPhone is way heavier than it seems to be when you're under here. Later.